So everybody keeps saying what's the best thing to use to clean your motorcycle wheels. So this is my little KTM 690 and you can see all the crap on the wheels, chain lube, dirt, brake dust, and all it takes to get it off, so it looks like this, is some Mr. Sheen. Quick spray with a Mr. Sheen and a quick wipe over brings them up like new. No hard elbow grease, no hard work. Simple. I'll show you. Mr. Sheen getting sprayed on there. One cloth. No elbow grease. It's a bit stubborn, do it twice, but generally, you know, I mean, it's not an old bike. There you go, up like new. Easy peasy. Same on this bit. Mr. Sheen, quick spray and a quick wipe. There we go. The tricks of the MotoGP trade and the racing trades, what they use to clean all the crap off the wheels. Simple, easy, no hard work. Job done.